Alright guys, back with another video. So I got Prue here. She's going to show us a little bit different of a twist on making a hamburger. Now we are using just regular burger, beef burger.
Roasted garlic and herb seasoning.
Now this could be done with deer meat or ground up goose, whatever, because really the twist isn't so much the meat, it's what she does with it when she makes the burger and stuff. She tells me it's really good. I've never tried it, so we're gonna give it a try here when it's done. So what she does, she mixes a bunch of seasonings with the burger. I guess everybody has their own type of seasoning that they use.
You can actually use onion soup mix or the beef soup mix with the burger. I'm using garlic powder. And I'm going to be adding some hamburger seasoning. And a little bit of salt and pepper.
The seasonings are new, so she gotta break the seal on them.
You don't want to put too much in there. Just a little bit of pepper, very little salt. And that's it for the seasonings. Just got to make sure the seasonings are mixed in there pretty good. Recipe, you got to make sure you have them oblong patties. Burgers are done. So we start with Texas cheese toast. We take your burger, place it onto our garlic cheese toast, and then we use Thousand Island. Shake it up. Pour it on top of your burger, however you like. And then you put your other piece of Texas cheese toast, squash it, and there is your unique, different burger. That way.
All right, we're gonna give this thing a try. They do look good and they smell good. I hope it's not too hot. I'm gonna give it a try. That is delicious. That is awesome.
Well, thank you. It's a little thing I came up with on my own years ago to try to do the Big Mac, but my own way.
With the garlic bread, I'll tell you what, this is regular hamburger, but you could use this with deer meat, goose, bison, whatever kind of ground meat you got. This is really good. So that'll be it for the video. I'll see you on the next one.